Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you some good gift ideas for Mother's Day, so if you want to hear about any of these recommendations, then just keep on watching. This first gift idea is very practical and it's hair care. So with this range, it's highly recommended for my mom. She absolutely loves it. So it's Phyto, and basically with this collection, it has an anti-aging formula that helps to renew youthfulness in the hair. And with this range, there's a shampoo, a mask, and a serum. So I'll let you know a little bit more about its key ingredients. Next products are treatments, and they're from the Phyto Elixir collection, and they're great for ultra dry hair. So first is an oil, and the way that you're supposed to use this is before shampooing. So what I like to do is to focus it on my scalp, so I'll just apply a few pumps and then I'll massage it and leave it in for about 10 minutes. And then when I'm done washing out my hair, it definitely does a good job at adding back that moisture. The next is the Intense Nutrition Mask, and with its active ingredients, it helps to nourish the hair. It has macadamia oil, which gives long-lasting lipid replenishment, and it also strengthens, and it has narcissus wax, which shines and also softens the hair. Another idea that you can never go wrong with, and it's always my go-to, is body care, so I'll show you some really good options. Here's another one of my mom's picks. This is Lily of the Valley, and this is from Yardley. These products can be found at Shoppers Drug Marts, and there are other collections and products available from the brand as well. The next products I want to show you from the Body Shop, and they're from the Almond Milk and Honey collection. They're great for sensitive skin, and they help to soothe signs of irritation, redness, dehydration, and dryness. They also have some new collections and a wide range of gift sets at many different price points. This next idea is skincare, and the products that I want to show you are from Lorac, and this is one of their newer collections, so I'll let you know a little bit more about it. On top of having really great ingredients, these products are also very lightweight. It leaves your skin feeling very smooth, and they also have a very nice fresh scent as well. My fourth gift idea is perfume, and this one is from Aerin, and the name is Tuberose Le Soir. And basically with this perfume, it has a really nice fragrance. I would say it's definitely more on the mature side, and it's very long lasting. So I'll let you know the notes that are included in the scent. Another good option is from Clean, and this is the Roller Ball Layer collection. So the scents that are included are Warm Cotton, Air, Fresh Laundry, Blossom, and Fresh Linens. So what's great about these is that you can wear them alone or you can layer them as well. They have a very fresh scent, and honestly with this size, it's perfect for on the go and for travel. And lastly, this isn't a physical gift, but what it is spending time together. And honestly, you can get very unique and creative with this. There's so many great things that you can do. You can go out for a pedi, you can go out for a brunch, you can take a class together, whether it's painting or pottery, and you can get facials or massages. There are so many great options out there. And honestly, it's just something special and a great way to spend Mother's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this to be helpful. If you want any more information, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!